This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the device and account stable. Charge the Ellipal above 50% and power it on so updates won't fail. Next, install the Ellipal mobile app and grant only the minimal Bluetooth permission the app requests. This lets you pair securely. Then create a physical backup plan, a durable, offline place for your seed phrase and recovery card. These steps prevent mid-setup interruptions and ensure you can recover funds. Do them now before moving to wallet creation. Once charged and paired, create the wallet on the Ellipal device itself. Choose Create Wallet and carefully write down the 12 to 24 word seed as each word appears. This is the only recovery method, so write legibly and avoid photos. After the seed, set a strong PIN or password and consider an optional passphrase for layered security. Make sure to verify each seed word when the device prompts you. Do not store the seed digitally because that creates an attack vector. Now add coin accounts in the app and link them using the device's QR-based air-gapped workflow. This keeps private keys offline. Send a small test deposit and create a sign transaction, reviewing all details on the Ellipal screen before approving. Once confirmed, you're ready for full transfers. If you run into issues, reboot the device, rescan QR codes, and ensure firmware and app versions match. That fix solves most connectivity or signing errors. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.